Hey everyone, tomorrow is 30 April 2021 and here is tomorrow's to-do list. First thing I want to tell you is that this to-do list is uploaded every day on this channel. So you can follow this to-do list and it is for prelims plus mains both. Okay. So first I have written this section for reasoning. So first I will practice one mains puzzle. You can adjust these things according to your time and your schedule. Okay, so I will practice this mains level puzzle from mock test. Then there are 3 videos of 1000 puzzles. These are on Unacademy by Ankush Lamba sir. Okay, then I will practice one question of mains input output. I will practice it from Guidely Bundle PDF course because they have course for pre and mains both level questions. Then I will practice 5 questions of mains data sufficiency. I will practice these questions also from Guidely's bundle. Then I will practice 2 mains DI from mock test. Okay, otherwise you can go for Ashish sir classes. Then I will practice arithmetic from Ace book and then I will do some speed practice like simplification, approximation, etc. from grade up quizzes. Then I will read today's current affairs from Affairs Cloud and then I will revise April 2nd week question and answer PDF. This is weekly PDF question and answer only, okay? Because our mains exam is in July, so I am trying to cover previous month's current affairs. Like these days I am revising April, then I will start from March, okay? Then for English I will read editorial plus I will note down some vocab. Then I will revise connectors and starters. I have made notes for connectors and starters. You can revise them from YouTube sessions and from any book also. Then I will take English perfection class and then at last I will practice prelims questions. I will practice these questions from Guidely Bundle PDF course. And one thing I want to tell you that they have PDF course for both like pre and mains for both exams and it is very useful as the exam is very near, so we can't waste our time in searching for questions. Okay, so they provide questions at one place and the PDFs are updated daily, plus it is in both languages like Hindi and English also. Okay, and if you have any doubt then they have provided video solutions also. I will give you link in description and the code. By using my code you can get 12% extra discount. So you will get on all information from the description. So that's all for tomorrow. This is the to-do list for tomorrow. Okay, and it is for both like pre and mains, so you can follow it religiously. So that's all. Thank you and have a good day. God bless you.